How's everybody doing today? Uh, Earlier, I went into the field to stir and pull on people's heartstrings, but I realized that the gravitational field was being affected, and so I wanted people to be able to see the gravitational anomalies in the field. So I turned it the fuck up, people. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Sorry about the sunlight. I can't record in my house. It's too windy outside, and I can't record in my house because I got contractors and they're working people. So that's what's going on right now. So I'm out here on the porch. Sorry about the sunlight. That's just the way it is right now. I've been posting about it, and ultimately, I realized, about 4 hours in, that something was off about the time. And you all might realize that today is going extremely slow, or feels like it's just creeping along. What's happened is the field, in order to accommodate the Messiah, it changes the gravitational field. It does this with the singularity as well. And so the gravitational field essentially begins to warp, and it falls inward, similar to what happens on a black hole, people. And it creates a shape it's a torsion, and it's a shape that's very similar to a donut, where you're going from the outer limits towards the center, and it's counterclockwise. That's what's happening to the time right now. Now, the CIA and Elon Musk got back to me, and they basically told me this is what's going on. And basically, they've got projections and models, and they're saying that it's going to last about 3.5 days. But that 3.5 days is the equivalent of 3.5 years. Now, I'll explain to you why this is happening, people, and why I'm doing this. I didn't exactly plan to set it off today, but we set it off. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to explain it so that people aren't terrified. What's going on is essentially humanity's standing still, but the age of the earth is progressing 3.5 years in a day. I mean, not 3.5, but roughly it's progressing 1 year in 1 day. The reason I'm doing this is because we have an earth that's been poisoned. And so I can make 1 day equal 1 year. This is how to clean the planet, people. This is how to get the poison out of the water. This is how to get the poison out of the earth. This is how to get basically Earth back to Eden. That's what's going on right now, people. And so I just want everybody to know, I don't want people being freaked out. I don't want people thinking, the end is near. It's not. Everything's going to be just fine. You know what I'm saying? I'm out here enjoying the sun. But that's what's going on, people. It's a torsion field. It's rolling inward like this, and time is essentially reversing. And so we're standing still as essentially the earth, though, is continuing to age. It's changing the gravitational field. There's a lot involved in it. I don't want to get too complex. Hell, there's a lot of stuff involved in it that I don't even really know what the hell I'm talking about. I just know what's going on. And so that's what's happening. And so it's being done with a purpose. There's a point behind it. And I just want everybody to know everything's all right. You know what I'm saying? Nothing's gonna blow up. You know what I'm saying? We're all gonna be all right, everybody. No worries here. It's all part of the plan. I will say that I didn't really plan on setting it off today, but I wanted people to see the gravitational anomalies, and so I just cranked it up. I cranked it up for about 20 minutes, and this is what happened. And so with that, peace and blessing be upon your home. It's a slow day. There's not a lot to report today. You know what I'm saying? I'm just chilling. I wasn't even really planning on making this, but I was making some posts that were kind of alarming. So I figured I'd get on here and explain to people exactly what's going on and what those posts mean. So with that, peace and blessing be upon your home. Your paths be paved in gold. Hopefully it's beautiful where you're at. I got beautiful blue sky out. I'm going to get out and do some walking.